And for today's video, guys, I wanna fit. I wanna show you my fashion for today, guys. Ayan, susukat na natin siya, guys. Ito yung aking nabili sa mall, guys, na worth of 350 pesos. Kaya susukat na natin siya. Ayan po, I'm so excited. So, this is it, guys. Ayan, to try na natin siya. Kung maganda ba siya, guys. Ayan. Charan! Ito na siya, guys. Pack na pack. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, for only 350 pesos. Ayan, ganda na siya, guys. Ayan, oh, ang lakas makaganda. Ayan, dahil wala akong long dress, guys. Kaya ito, napabili ako, guys. Ayan, dahil nagandahan ako, guys. O, diba? Napakahaba. Kung before, guys, hanggang dito yung aking, ayan, yung mga dress ko kasi, guys, ang iiksi hanggang dito. So, itry naman natin tong mahaba, guys. Ayan, pack na pack to. Ayan, guys, oh. Pack, pack, pack. I really love my fashion for today. Ayan, guys, yung likod niya.